Singing together as one, the Beaufort County School District High School Honor Choir is harmonizing their voices for an upcoming concert. More than 50 talented young vocalists from Beaufort and Hilton and Island High Schools are at Whale Branch Early College High School taking part in an all-day choral workshop before the big performance. The students are excited to be singing together.
I think it's a really great opportunity to be able to work with students that we haven't worked with before and collaborate on music that we've all really enjoyed making, as well as being able to work like in an environment that's going to be more similar to what we might be doing in college if we continue this.
I think it's really great for schools that don't have like that big of a choir, because they get to sing with like bigger choirs. Like our school doesn't have like that big of a choir, but like it's still fun to like sing with other choirs and like see how other people sound.
The students are also having the opportunity to work with an artist in residence from Georgia Southern University.
I really love to go to these events to understand more music, maybe understand better vocal parts, really work my voice.
So what I hope to learn from this experience is basically just being able to learn more music and learn the meaning of it, and I just hope that everyone can come together and collaborate and just create a beautiful piece of music.
For the concert, the students will be singing several musical selections.
Most of the songs, the meaning behind them is motivation, love, passion. That's at least the message I get from them. We're singing songs like I Believe, which is very inspirational. We're singing Let Me Ride. We're singing, Laudate Dominum, which is just very passionate and like dramatic. So, I mean, it's just so flexible. Like we're just able to work with so many different types of music, so it's definitely gonna be helpful.
This is the first time since 2019 the District High School Honor Choir has held a workshop and concert at Whale Branch Early College High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.